How to change Steam profile name. Hey everyone, welcome back to Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can change your profile name in Steam account in just a few simple steps. First of all, launch open Steam application on your PC or your mobile device, and once you're inside the home page of Steam, go ahead and click on your name drop down at the top right corner, or it can also be known as Manage Accounts tab. Click on that and click on View My Profile. This will take you to your profile section of Steam. Click on Edit Profile from the Profile section. You'll now end up in this page where you need to scroll down and click on Profile Name under General. Go ahead and make necessary edits or change your profile name right away. Once you are done, scroll all the way down and click on Save. Soon after you do that, your profile name will be changed. You'll be able to see the new name reflected in your profile at the top. So that's how it's super easy to change your Steam profile name quickly. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.